So, okay, Aditi, Ahana, can you guys turn on your videos? Everybody keep your videos on. Okay, now I have some concerns with you guys. Meaning I have some concerns with my own kids. You all are my kids. I have some concerns, meaning some of you, if I'm teaching something, if something is not clear, you're not talking about it. You're not saying that, okay, I did not understand this. So, again, I don't want to be concerned, I don't want to complain about things, but what I'm saying is, if I'm teaching something, if there's a tiniest of doubt, do I look scary? No, right?
No.
Don't be afraid of asking questions. Ask questions. Ask valid questions. Okay, there are kids who start discussing about unnecessary stuff. That I'm trying to stop always. Yeah.
I'm not scared of asking questions because to me questions are not scary.
Yeah. Sit down. So what I was trying to say was, if somebody has any doubt in mind, don't be shy or afraid of asking questions. Okay, it's okay to ask questions. Yes, Aditi, you're saying something.
Are we having a short class today because the volume?
Yeah, we'll have a shorter class, only 45 minutes. And out of 45 minutes, I've already wasted 2 minutes giving you guys a speech. Let's get on to business.
Now
All
we
right.
have 43 minutes.
Okay. Now, let's avoid any discussion which keeps us away from math. I'm asking one last time. Is there anybody in the class who doesn't know how to do decimal multiplication? You don't know? Okay. You also don't know decimal multiplication? Yes, Anika. You also don't know? Okay. Anybody else? Now I'm also raising my hand. I also don't know how to do decimal multiplication.
Yeah.
What will happen then? We are cooked? Yes, Inara, you saying something, beta?
If you didn't know, then none of us would know.
Okay, so somebody said we will be cooked. Somebody said so, right? So if teacher also doesn't know how to do decimal multiplication, then we are all cooked. That means somebody cooked. We have a recipe here. Okay, so if I ask Kian to just in 2 minutes to explain what do we mean by decimal multiplication. Let's see how Kian teaches all of us, including me, because I forgot.
Basically, if you know regular whole number multiplication, decimal multiplication will still not be that hard. So
Okay.
basically, the main difference is that in decimal multiplication, the decimals involved, like the name suggests. So when you're doing decimal multiplication, the main thing that people might struggle with is the place values. For the decimal point, you take out the decimal until you've gotten your answer. Then you count how many digits are there to the right of the decimal, and then you add the amount of digits together, and then that's how many digits there will be after the decimal in your answer.
Okay. Now let's see if Aditi wants to share something. Aditi?
Sir, I'm sorry I came late.
It's okay.
It's okay.
You will still leave early.
What are we sharing, sir?
I'm asking you, beta, if you know how to do decimal multiplication, can you share that in a minute? Some of the kids, some of us probably are not clear. I think I also forgot. That is because of age. My memory doesn't work well these days. I'm sorry, beta?
I forgot.
You also forgot. Mishika, you want to share?
So decimal multiplication is like regular multiplication, except as a decimal point. After you finish multiplying your answer, you see how many digits are to the right of your decimal, and then you put the decimal point there.
Okay. Let's see what Sinara says. Yes, Sinara. Go ahead.
So if you do a decimal multiplication, first just do the normal multiplication with that decimal, and when you took off that decimal point, then when you got your answer, the one how much you got, you have to count how many numbers that's before the dot, and then put the dot where it is.
Okay. One last one. So Praneeth, you want to share how do you do decimal multiplication division?
You could use fractions by jumping, like how about we use 9.2, remove the decimal, and then the decimal is equal to 1, and then add another 0, then the 2 is turned into
You judge. Control your movement, otherwise laptop will fall.
by the whole number.
Okay. Rudraksh, you have raised your hand as well. Tell in 30 seconds, how do you do decimal multiplication? Guys, here, Anika, Nikhil, here. You raise your hand for what? I was not distributing candies. I asked a question that whoever knows what is decimal multiplication, can you explain it?
I forgot.
Okay. Good. I just got a ray of hope. Somewhere some lightning happened. Now I recall how to do decimal multiplication. Okay. See, okay, guys here. Anika, pay attention to what I'm doing now. If I say 2 divided by 5 into 10 divided by 4, nobody will try solving it. No. Hold on. Everybody hold on. Praneeth, hold on. Kian, hold on. This is where I have problem. You guys are in a rat race. There is no rat race happening right now. And if anybody gives me the answer, I'll be super mad. I'm explaining the concept. Focus on understand the concept. If you know it, wonderful. Even if you solve this problem, is anybody going to get even 20 cents? No. Don't rush. There is no rat race. I cherish math. I want you guys to cherish math. Nobody starts rushing for it. See, Pranita is still doing the calculation. And I'm not going to listen to it. If you are, so Anika, you are with me, Uta? Okay? Anika, there's Anika here on the screen, there's Anika in the classroom as well.
I know.
Okay. Now, when I try to do this multiplication, this is okay, right? We can do it, Anika? Yep. Mandeep, everybody clear, right? This nonsense is flashing again.
Huh?
This AI. AI is nothing but. Just 1 second, give me a second. I have to kill this, the most unwanted thing on this earth.
That's right, sir.
Yeah. Okay, guys, there is no charter that is supposed to happen today. We have very little time. Yeah, Bisika, you're saying something? Okay. So, when we have to multiply these two numbers, no difficulty. Okay. I hope God listens to me one day and knocks off this person who created this Q&A in this Google Meet.
That'll be the creator.
You can be as time wasting element as the AI, okay? If you are talking about it. Now, if you have to multiply these two numbers, no difficulty, it's very easy. There is nothing to worry about. Our life becomes more difficult if somebody says 2.2 divided by 5.5 and then multiply by 1.6.
Huh?
And nobody will do it. Don't make that unnecessary sound. Not taken. Normal number multiplication is easy. When you have decimals, that is when it becomes difficult. Right, Anika? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Aditi, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, if you are able to get rid of the decimal, your life will have less problems to deal with. And how do you do it? If you, let's say we are trying to multiply these two decimals, 2.2 and 1.6, that is where the problem is. If we know how to get rid of the decimal, 2.2 I can write as 22 divided by 1 and 0. This became this fraction. This decimal has disappeared. Then I have 1.6. I can convert this to also a fraction. I will write the whole number, and then for the decimal I will write a 1, and then one decimal digit after decimal, so I'll put a 10. Decimal has gone, is gone. Decimal is gone completely. If the decimal is gone,
Everything is easier.
it is normal calculation. Anika, does that make sense, beta? We have two decimals to multiply, 2.2 to be multiplied with 1.6. We don't like decimals. This makes our calculation difficult. With a teacher like me who doesn't have enough of intelligence, it is even more difficult. So you want to get rid of the decimal, and then you converted decimal into a fraction that we have learned. You write 22. I'm converting this to a fraction, getting rid of decimal. 22 divided by, I'll write a 1 for the decimal and then 10 because there's one digit after the decimal. This decimal is gone. Same thing for this guy also. I'll write 16 and then 1 for the decimal and then one digit, so 10. Done. Now you have 22 into 16 by 10 into 10. Do the calculation. No, don't give me the answer. I'm not interested in that. Yeah.
So whenever we did that, I thought it was supposed to be like this. I thought it was supposed to be like that.
Okay. There's nothing wrong in this. 2.2 will become 2 by 10. This is correct. But what is that you are achieving by doing this?
I don't know.
See, this is what is happening. 2.2 will become this. My question was, what are you achieving by doing this? You have to ask that question to yourself. Why are you coming to the class? Yep.
If you do 2.20, will that 10 become 100?
Yes, it will.
Okay.
It's 2.20. If you
Yeah.
convert this, you will, same method, nothing changes. I don't change my plan, I don't change my process every day. There's only one process that I learned, and I have lost all the chance of learning anything new. I'll stick to this rule. I will put 220, 220, I wrote that. And then decimal, I'll write a 1 for the decimal, and then how many digits I have after decimal? 2.
2.
So 2 zeros, that's it. I don't change my plan, okay? You guys don't have to change. So my question here was, why would you change 2.2 to 2 and 210? 210. 2 and 210. This is correct. But my problem is I don't have a motivation for doing it. Because if I do that, I have to again go mad. I have to go mad for converting it to a fraction. Because I had one problem, I created another problem, and then I'll solve this problem and this problem, then I'll get to a solution. Am I making sense?
Yes, sir.
So always keep one limitation in mind. I wish you all had a more intelligent teacher. Your teacher is not intelligent. So you always have to work on making your problem easier. If you keep on complicating the problem, your teacher will surrender and say, hey, I don't know. Then what to do? We all cooked. Yep. Alright. So again, jokes apart, fact is we have to always look for opportunities to make our problems simpler, easier, so that it stays with us for a much longer time.
Yes, sir.
Whatever interesting you are doing, stop that.
Oh my God.
What?
I think the tool was falling.
Yeah, there was an earthquake. That's why it was moving. Alright. Everybody, Anika, are you okay with that so far? Two Anikas. Anika on the screen, Anika in the class. So, are you clear with what I did? Anika on the screen, are you clear with her? Aditi, are you clear? Now, same thing. I will just touch upon one more problem. Okay? And then I would anyways give you guys some problem to solve, and then you'll pick up something new that you want to learn. Okay? Because sometimes, you know what? I also get tired of teaching the same thing again and again. Who's making the interesting sound? You? Did I not tell you to keep aside all the interesting stuff? We are here for boring work. Yeah? We'll only do boring stuff for next 45 minutes. Not next 45 minutes, next 30 minutes. So, decimal multiplication, okay, right, Anika? And Aditi, if I am saying 2.9 into 1.4, same thing, nothing changes. Please make sure nobody is rushing for solving it. No prize for this.
Yes, sir.
When you guys get assignment, then you show your talent, skill and excitement. Not in the classroom when I'm explaining concepts. But how about dividing 2.4 by 7.2? Anika here. No, give me a chance. I don't want to lose my job. Okay? When I'm trying to divide one decimal by another decimal, Anika, what will I do with her? Any idea? No? Give it a shot. Yeah, Virat.
Like you convert those both numbers into a fraction.
Okay. Okay. Sinara. Unmute yourself, beta. I cannot hear you. You are not able to unmute yourself? Okay. See, somebody is doing conspiracy with Sinara. Okay. All right, it's okay, beta. Maybe you can disconnect and join again. See if that works. Okay. Yes, wait. Unmute yourself. You are not able to unmute yourself. Is it something that I have done? Host controls. Okay. Can you try unmuting yourself now? Ved or Kian? No? Okay. Okay. Let me see. Okay. It's all because of this nonsense. AI.
Artificial intelligence is for intelligence. Artificial intelligence.
Artificial intelligence.
Okay.
Yes.
Ahana, okay, guys, don't go way too far. Don't go far. Not, I said don't go far.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, can you try unmuting yourself now? Maybe.
I can unmute myself. Okay, now.
Okay.
I can do.
Okay, good. Now there is a problem, okay? I have given this flexibility to the most horrible thing on the earth, that is AI, and they will also keep blabbering. See, as soon as I did that, approve a question Q&A, okay? Kill AI, that's what I'm hoping. Okay, all right. We have only 25 minutes, okay? Now, so let's come back to this one. Everybody hands down. I was asking that if I have to do divide this decimal by this decimal, what will be my approach? And it was a question for, okay, Sinara was trying to answer that. Let Sinara complete her chain of thought. Then,
You cannot do it because 2 is smaller than 7, so you cannot subtract.
okay, let's see what Mandeep says.
Division, when you do 2.4 divided by 7.2, does the number like switch? Like a 7.2 to 2.7?
Okay, no, it doesn't. Wait, I'll come.
Make both of them to a fraction and then divide them.
Okay. Shanvi,
Are you asking for the how to solve it or like the
just how to solve it. Just the approach part. I don't need the answer. I don't care about the answer. Anyways.
you have to take out the decimals and make the numbers into fractions. Then you have to divide them, and then you get your answer.
Okay. Praneeth, don't change all those things. Halloween is way too far. Okay. Kian, one last answer, then I'll jump onto it.
So basically what it's saying here is that you have to split 2.4 into 7.2 parts. So that what you would do is, for standard algorithm, the 2.4 would go inside the box. And since that's less than 7.2, you would put a 0 in front of it.
Okay.
You would make it 0.72 instead of 2.4. You would move 2.4 up to 24, but then that's not enough either. So then you'd move that up to 240.
Yeah.
So then you can
You would do no for that.
use that.
You would do
And then you add a couple zeros at the top to
Okay. Quick.
you would do like where you do times, but then because we do not do that, we would switch it over.
Okay. Hold it, everybody. I heard a lot of things, and as I've told you guys about my limitation, I struggle with intelligence. Let's do that in a simple way. Praneeth, don't play with that, brother. That gets my attention for no good reason. So Anika,
I'm trying to cancel it out.
it's okay. Leave it. Anika, Aditi, everybody, whoever had slightest of doubt or who had no doubt. There's a very simple way of doing it. If we know the problem, it's easy to solve. I have to divide this decimal by this decimal. Okay? But we don't want to do that. Praneeth, hands down. Let me complete my chain of thought. I have to divide this decimal by this decimal. And we don't want to do that. Decimal calculations are difficult. First thing is we'll convert decimal into fraction. So 2.4 becomes 24. 1 for the decimal and 1 digit after the decimal, so 1 0. Divided by 7, convert 7.2 also into fraction. It becomes 72, 1 and 0. Okay? Praneeth, what was that you were trying to say in between?
The answer be 3.
I hate that. Trust me, I hate that. Now, I don't like answers. I have zero affection for answers, Praneeth. I have told that so many times. When I see you guys jumping for giving the answer, it gets me little distracted. Don't give me answers. If I'm doing it now, allow me to complete it, and you will know what the answer is. Okay? So don't rush for the answer. Okay? Okay? I don't like answers. I have zero affection for answers. Guys, stop fighting. Now, hands down. What is that?
Keep coming to my feet.
I'll scold them after the class. Okay? I'll scold the mosquitoes after the class. I'll make them do sit-ups. Okay.
100 of them.
Alright, coming back to the class. Shh. Everybody here. So first problem was when we were trying to divide this decimal by another decimal, we didn't want to do that. That was complicated. So we converted decimal to fractions. Now life is a little bit better. I have to divide this fraction by this fraction. But we have not learned how to do division of fraction. We only know multiplication. Only because of your teacher. We'll convert this to division to multiplication. Somebody flips upside down. And when I am explaining things, nobody has to jump in between. So it became 24 by 10 into 10 by 72. This one and this one knocked off. What we have? 24 over 72. So Pranit, this is the reason why I stopped you, because a lot of effort is going in to get to the answer better. And if we always keep that answer in mind, chances of going wrong is more. Enjoy math. Have fun. Feel it. See, look at my expression. I'm enjoying it right now. Do you see me tired when I'm teaching you guys? No, I'm enjoying math. Yeah.
When you say the other, you kind of get confused.
That's okay. That's fine. So, both Anikas, Anika in the classroom and Anika on the screen. Shanvi, everybody clear so far? Aniket clear? Aniket will attend the whole class and towards the end he'll say, it doesn't make sense. And then I get worried. Everybody okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, from this thing, we have to divide this decimal by this decimal. We converted decimal to fraction. And then we know how to do division. We convert it to multiplication. And then it's all, yep. Somebody was saying something in between.
I got it different.
So, again, I will repeat it. 2.4 divided by 7.2. Doing decimal multiplication is difficult. I am converting that to fraction. 24 by 10 and 72 by 10. Did you get the same answer? Up to here you got the same? No, up to here got same?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, converted this to division to multiplication. Somebody got angry, flip upside down. 24 by 72. I have not simplified it yet. 24 I can write as 6 times 4 and 72 I can write as 18 times 4 or 9 times 8. Okay? Now, again, there's nothing I want to break. Let me break for that. 6 I can write as 3 into 2 and 4 remains 4. 9 I can write as 3 into 3 and 8 becomes 4 into 2.
Sir,
Wait, why are you guys in a hurry? This 4 and this 4 I can knock off. This 2 and this 2 I can knock off. This 3 and this 3 I can knock off. And if I have nothing, I have a 1 here. It became 1 by 3. Was that your answer, 1 by 3? Shanvi?
No, I got 0.312 times.
0.
0.312 times.
0.312 times. You will get infinite number of times of 3. 0.333333. If you stay awake the whole night, you'll keep on getting 3. Okay? It doesn't stop.
0.33333.
It's the same. 1 by 3, 1 by 3. If you convert that to decimal back. I'm sorry, beta?
So then if your 3's go on for infinity, you just go up to the 100.
That's called a...
And then you put a line over the top.
That's the recurrence you are talking about.
Okay.
Now, okay, everybody here. So, Anika here. Everybody, whatever I have done for dividing a decimal by another decimal, multiplying one decimal by another decimal, my attempt was always to simplify it. Simplify decimal to fraction, then deal with it. If we have learned how to multiply or divide fractions, we'll keep on leveraging it for the rest of our life. Convert everything to fractions and then do it. And that's the only reason I always say fraction is my best friend, because I'm converting everything to fraction, then my life becomes easier. So this is, fraction is my friend because I'm getting benefited by my friend. It is not a friend for free. It's a friend with lot of benefit coming from the friend. Okay, that's the reason. Is everybody clear? Anika, Aditi, Snara, Aniket, Mandeep, everybody? Would you guys forget this again?
No.
Don't.
Can I go to
No, no, sir.
If you go to bathroom and you forget, what will happen?
We lost the video.
Go and come back. Great. Whatever you do, don't forget. And this is the reason. See, I don't think I have got a great sense of humor, but I still try to keep cracking jokes just to make sure that you guys find something interesting, something stays with you. Okay? If I come with a stone face and teach something and go,
Stone face? What's that?
when my face has no expression.
Oh.
Nihit, I said my face and you're drawing my face. Move this side. I have one of the best admirers in the class who keeps on drawing my face, keeps on drawing my picture when I'm trying to make him learn math. While it feels good that somebody is drawing a picture over and over again, but then I'm trying to make sure that he learns math also. And Nihit is doing very good with math. Okay, he has picked up all the tables till 12. But okay, now time for getting serious. We have 10 more minutes before the class gets over today. 12 minutes.
Oh.
See, yay, somebody's tired. Mandeep, Halloween is still 10 more days away. Let's not rush for it.
10 more days away.
Calm it down. Whenever you get idea for getting distracted, take a deep breath, you'll get your focus back. Okay, coming back to the class. Are we all not tired of fraction, multiplication, division,
I'm going
decimal multiplication, division?
Yes.
We are tired.
I'm bored.
Okay, guys, here. So now, just to make sure that before the kids start getting tired of me also, like they are tired of fraction, multiplication, division, let's go to a new concept. That is what we will start talking about today. Let's pick up the topic that we wanted to talk about.
If we don't finish a topic, will we continue learning it on Saturday?
Of course. Did I say that I'll finish the topic in next 10 minutes?
Yeah.
I cannot, and I would not. My problem is, I will not let you guys go unless I'm confident that everybody in the class is clear and has understood what we are learning. So we are talking about data representation.
Huh?
This topic is data representation. Now you will think, oh, data representation, very loaded topic. Where are you going? Yug? Those are called signs of indiscipline, which is not entertained in this class. Sit properly like everybody else. Imagine me lying on the floor like Bhagwan Vishnu and teaching you guys. Do you guys want me to lie down like Lord Vishnu and then teach you guys?
Yeah. Yes, please. Yes.
That was expected answer from you only. Let's get serious. Okay, coming back to what we are trying to learn, that is data representation. Now the data representation starts from the most basic thing that you guys have learned long time ago, billions of years ago. That is called number line.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
think this is my school.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So this is something that you guys have learned long time ago. So we're not worrying about that right now. What we are trying to do is take it to the next level, where we'll use the number lines next level to use it for different purposes. So far you guys know, if you have to find out where is 3 located. Oh, you will say, okay, yeah, this is located here. Where is -2 located? This is located here. Where is 7 located? Oh, this is located on the wall. Correct? Now, we are saying, how about 1.6 look? Where's 1.6 located?
Huh?
Yeah, Nihit.
You put it between the 1 and 2.
Yeah, 1 and 2. But where? Here, here, here. Yeah, Kian. Give me a short answer.
Sir, I was talking to the mute button, my bad.
Mhm.
The 1.6 will be located between a little bit after halfway between 1 and 2.
Okay, Meshika.
It will be close to 2.
Close to 2. Okay. How close? This close, this close, this close.
This close.
Okay. Okay, Praneeth.
It would almost be in the middle.
Almost in the middle. Okay. So different things, and I am pretty sure you guys know about it. Now, it is 1.6, and some of you already know it. I'm just repeating it.
Oh, yeah,
Before.
it's near 1.
What did I say a few minutes ago? I give you guys a chance to talk about it, but when I'm talking, don't interrupt in between because that disrupts my chain of thought. Yep.
Oh, the fly is disturbing me from to focus on the map.
Okay. Who the flies? Then I'll have no other choice but to scold them after the class. I cannot do. I cannot deal with the flies when the class. Okay, guys. 1 or 2 seconds of distraction is okay, but not more than that.
What about the spray? What about the spray you can put on it?
It's mosquito.
Not me.
I'll make you guys. Whoever has not taken bath, will take bath with this. Take this. All right. Quick. So coming back to this 1.6, it says 1 and 6/10. 1 and 6/10. Meaning from 1 to 2, whatever we had, let's break it into 10 pieces. Let's say this was 10 pieces. 6/10. 1 piece is 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10, 5/10, 6/10. This is the place where we located this. So any fraction, any mixed number, any decimal, you will imagine it that way and then you locate it. But I'm not here to make you guys figure out how do you locate a fraction or decimal on a number line.
Yes, sir.
So Mandeep, your question, go ahead.
I think you're going to zoom in.
I'm going to zoom in. Yeah, I will zoom in obviously for a better representation. Between 1 and 2, this is my 1 and this is my 2. Whatever I had, I zoomed in and split that into
That's so much more better.
10, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. My 2 is here. Okay. So if I'm talking about 1.6, I'm talking about 1 which is up to here, guys, back to the class. 0.6 or 6/10. 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10, 5/10, 6/10. So basically to all of you who gave me the answer how close or how far it would be, will be a function of how you are breaking it down. But now, this is not something I wanted to teach you guys. So I was just wasting everybody's time. So you guys just know on a number line how do you locate a point. I will, guys, everybody back. Now think of a situation that there are 20 kids in the class. Anika. What is that?
He keeps hitting him.
And then you don't have to take responsibility for the whole class. You, as long as you're concerned about yourself and focusing on fixing it, just stop showing me thumbs up all the time without doing anything about it. Okay? If you are being serious, you don't need to prove anything. It is visible. And if you keep on getting scolding for the same mistake every day, that means no matter how many times you send me thumbs up, how many times you do a like, it's of no use. Alright. Now we have 20 students in the class.
I thought you said tickets.
Stop any discussion for now. We have 20 students in the class, let's say, and we took a test of 10 marks. Okay? Some kids got 4, some got 10, some got 8, some got 5, some got 9. What happened? Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So, now come back to the number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we are trying to use the number line to see who got how much. Let's say 5 students got 6 in the test. I'm putting a dot for every student.
Oh yeah, I remember this.
What did I say a few minutes ago?
I'm not disturbing you.
What did I say a few minutes ago? Just stay on mute. 2 students got only 2. 8 students got, let's say, 7. Sorry, 7 students got 8 marks. 5 students got 6. 2 students got 2. And there was one lucky winner who got a 0 also.
Wow. Good job, young
And
leader.
then other 5 students got 5.
Oh.
What is this called? This is called line plot, where you are using a number line reference for representing some data. You are using number line and you are plotting some data against the number line. This is called line plot. Yes, wait.
I thought it was a dot plot.
Dot plot, line plot, you will use that interchangeably. I have seen a couple of places where they call it dot plot, some places they call it line plot. Since I was giving reference to number line, I was saying line plot, you can call it dot plot also. And if this is not line plot, do you remember what is called line plot?
No.
There's something called line graph that you will see later, okay?
Minecraft.
That question was not worth entertaining, that's why I didn't choose to respond to it. Okay? Somebody was just going a tangent. So this is called dot plot or line plot. There's something called line graph that we will talk about later, okay? When we look at the bar chart, pie chart and all, and when we connect the top, this is called line graph.
Oh yeah.
But here, since we are plotting an initial line, so you can call it dot plot or line plot. Is that okay with? Yeah?
Yes.
So, we just started talking about data representation where we used the dot plot or line plot for representing some data. What it does is, by looking at this information, you'll be able to interpret the data in a much simpler, easier way. That's what all the data representation techniques help us with. So be it bar chart, be it pie chart, be it line plot, scatter plot, all those things we'll learn one by one, but not today.
So
Yes, Mandeep.